Richie and Bethany play basketball and practice shooting free throws after school. During one practice session, Richie attempted 15 free throws and made 12 of them. Write a ratio comparing the number of free throws he made to the number that he missed. So a word problem is an actual story, and specifically the math information is that Richie attempted 15 free throws, however made 12 of them. So that's our math information about Richie. Now in example A, they want us to write a ratio. Remember, ratio is that special quantities or relationship quantities that we want to write, and the order definitely matters. So ratio compares the numbers. And in this case, let's take a look. They want of free throws to, that's the separator, to the number that he missed. So when we write a ratio in example A, we want to know what they ask us first. So they want the number of the free throws first, the separator is the word to, and the number he missed. So you could write it using the word to, a colon, or a fraction bar. But when we write a ratio, we also write the quantity as like what it is. So in this case, I'm just gonna use the word to, but you can use all three. So the number of free throws is 15. So I'm gonna write 15 free throws, and then you can use the word to, and then 12 is the the number actually he missed is not the same as the one he made. So if he did all 15 tries, he made only 12 of them. So 12 he made, 15 altogether. So how many did he miss? Right? So he made only 12. So the missing number is 3. So over here I'm going to say 3 missed. So that was not information up there, but it was implied that it's 3 because altogether, so let's see, missed. So altogether was 15. Now go ahead and try Bethany's ratio, write it down. So it states that Bethany made 8 free throws for every 3 that she missed. So that's a different information. So before you answer the next question, so let's do a visual on that. And for my diagram, that was for Richie. I'm just gonna say R for Richie, and it was just like the total was 15. Let's take a look at how we're gonna do Bethany. So she made 8 free throws, but it says for every. So if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for every 3 that she missed. So when she made 8 free throws, doesn't mean that she actually like let's see, they have 3 missed. So 8 made, and then 3 missed. I can use even red. So 1, 2, 3 is the missed. So that's like our visual representation. So looking at our diagram, or we can use any color in this case, we know the total for her. So the question is, who did better? So we have a different total amount, but just based on the diagram, could you figure out that on your own? So they want you to compare Bethany or Richie. So I wrote the numbers to make your decision a little easier. So write your information, like show how you know in a complete sentence.